In winter, car doors can freeze shut, and this makes it very hard to open your car in the morning when you need to go somewhere. Luckily, here are different methods and easy ways you can follow to stop your car doors from freezing shut. One of the easiest ways to prevent frozen doors is by treating the rubber door seals. This is the soft rubber part around the car door frame that protects the door from water and air. Petroleum jelly helps stop moisture from sticking on the rubber door seals. This prevents ice from forming, so your car door does not freeze shut in winter. You can take a small amount of petroleum jelly on your finger and gently spread it along the rubber door seals. This creates a thin protective layer that keeps moisture out, so the seals don't freeze and stick in cold weather. Spray a small amount of silicone spray on the rubber seals of your car door. This helps keep moisture away and prevents ice from forming. Silicone also protects the rubber from cracking in cold weather. Apply this before freezing temperatures start. Always wipe the door seals and edges before closing the car door at the end of the day. Snow, raindrops or frost left on the rubber may freeze overnight. Keeping seals dry reduces the chance of ice buildup. If you have a car cover, use it especially when snow or freezing rain is expected. The cover blocks direct moisture from reaching the door areas, handles and locks. When you remove the cover in the morning, the car door usually stays free from frozen ice. If your car's rubber seals are old or damaged, install new weather stripping tape. This protects the seals from letting in cold air and moisture. A strong tight seal reduces freezing problems. Also, it keeps warm air inside the car and improves insulation. This can also help your car doors last longer in winter. Parking inside a garage reduces temperature drop and stops water from freezing on your doors. Even a small covered parking helps. It keeps snow, ice, and freezing rain off your car. This makes opening your car door easier the next morning. If snow is sitting on your car roof, clear it off before it melts. When the snow melts, the water can drip into your door seals and then freeze. Just a few minutes of wiping and drying can help prevent your doors from freezing shut. A rubber care stick keeps the door rubber soft and flexible. It prevents cracking, drying, and hardening of rubber seals in winter. This helps stop moisture from getting in and freezing your car door shut. It also increases the life of your rubber seals and keeps them in good condition. With these tips, you can enjoy winter without getting stuck outside trying to open a frozen car door.